Today we're diving into some delicious and nutritious snack alternatives that are perfect for satisfying your cravings without compromising your health. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, we've got you covered. First, let's talk about why it's important to choose healthy snacks. Snacking is a great way to keep your energy levels up throughout the day, but it's crucial to make smart choices. Healthy snacks can help maintain blood sugar levels, provide essential nutrients, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now, let's take a look at some common unhealthy snacks and their healthier alternatives. Instead of reaching for a bag of greasy chips, try veggie chips or air-pop popcorn, not microwave popcorn. These are lower in calories and fat, but still provide that satisfying crunch. Craving something sweet? Swap candy bars for a piece of dark chocolate or a handful of berries. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, and fruits provide natural sugars and vitamins. Substitute cookies with homemade energy balls. Cookies can be loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats. A great alternative is homemade energy balls made with oats, nuts, and dried fruits. You could also add peanut butter, honey, and flaxseed. Instead of sugary sodas or juices, try infused water or herbal tea. They're refreshing and can be flavored with fruits, herbs, or spices. For a cold treat, swap ice cream for Greek yogurt topped with honey and nuts. It's rich in protein and healthy fats. Here are some easy and quick snack recipes you can make at home. Hummus paired with veggie sticks like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. This is a nutritious and satisfying snack. Apple slices with almond or peanut butter make for a sweet and crunchy treat. This snack is packed with fiber and healthy fats. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey for a delicious parfait. This is a perfect treat for any time of the day. Create your own trail mix with nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a few dark chocolate chips. Trail mix is a great on-the-go snack. Blend your favorite fruits with some spinach. Top it with granola and chia seeds for a nutrient-packed smoothie bowl. You can also top it with additional fruit and honey. Let's go over some simple snack options that are most relevant to your health goals. We'll cover the best snacks for muscle growth, weight loss, energy, and overall health. Top 5 snacks for muscle mass. A protein bar. Hard-boiled eggs. Tuna on whole grain crackers. Chocolate milk. Peanut butter on whole grain toast. Here are the top 5 snacks for weight loss. Hummus and carrots. Cottage cheese or yogurt with berries. Air-popped popcorn. Apples or celery with peanut butter. Cherry tomatoes. Now we'll cover the top 5 snacks for quick energy. Trail mix. Smoothie. Oatmeal with berries. Bananas. Greek yogurt. Here are the top 5 overall healthiest snacks. Blueberries. Mixed nuts. Avocado on whole grain toast. Edamame. Hard-boiled eggs. Here are some things to be mindful of when choosing a snack. Avoid excessive sugars, which can lead to health issues. Steer clear of trans fats, including partially hydrogenated oils. Partially hydrogenated oil, PHO, can elevate the risk of heart disease, stroke, and heart attacks, and might also impair memory and contribute to increased inflammation in the body. Examples of these include shortening and certain vegetable oils such as canola oil. Choose snacks that are low in sodium to help manage blood pressure. Choose snacks without artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Avoid snacks with refined carbohydrates, such as white bread and sugary snacks. Refined carbohydrates are processed foods that have been stripped of their natural nutrients and fiber. Look for whole grains instead. Keep an eye on calorie content when snacking to help manage your health goals. Choose snacks that contain at least 3 grams of fiber to support digestion and keep you feeling full. Pick snacks that are rich in protein to help maintain energy and support muscle repair. Choose snacks with healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados. Lastly, look for snacks made with natural, minimally processed ingredients. Healthy snack alternatives can boost your energy and focus and help you achieve your health goals. Even a small change can make a big impact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.